Hello everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube page, Style by Mike Fashion. If you are a new user here, you just got here for the first time, I would like to plead with you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comments in the comment section. Just say I am subscribed. I want to interact with you. Yeah, so quick one. I'm making this video because of people that complained about my previous two videos that I made concerning the shoulder slanting and the armhole curve. Yeah, I made two videos on the topic of how to achieve a perfect shoulder slant and perfect armhole with no foldings around this area. And some people were asking a lot of questions on different areas. So I took note of those questions and I'm going to answer everything in this video. Yeah, everything concerning shoulder slants and armhole curve is going to be addressed in this video here and now. So ensure to stick around till the end so that you can get the full gist of everything concerning shoulder slanting and armhole curve, including the sleeve. So let's get into it. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this video, and drop your comments in the comment section. So first of all, we're going to discuss the shoulder slants. There were a lot of questions concerning the shoulder slanting. It's very easy. The shoulder slants for adults, the ones that I use and which gives me perfect results, is 3 inches. What I normally use for my shoulder slanting for adults is 3 inches, which always gives me the required results. And for kids, I use 2 inches, which also gives me the perfect results. So, why does the shoulder slant? Why do we slant the shoulder? As you can see, the way I'm sitting down here now, you can actually see that my shoulders are not straight like this. My shoulders are not straight. They are slanted. You can see that it slants downwards this way, and this one slants downwards this way. So for you to be able to make a bespoke dress that would fit the body of your clients, you need to take all of these things into consideration. So that is why we slant the shoulder, because human shoulders are not straight out. Although there are other people with different kinds of shoulders, different shoulder types, of which I will show you different shoulder types. Yes, different kinds of shoulders. Others are slanted, others are a little bit broader like this, and then others are just this way, and then others are all the way like this. I'm going to show you pictures of these types of shoulders. So it is your duty for you to take notes of the body of your clients and know the type of shoulder that they have, in order for you to be able to slant it in such a way that it fits them perfectly for their body type. Because the shoulder slant for one person may not be the same thing for the other person. But then, generally, 3 inches normally does it. Generally, 3 inches does it. So that is why in the video I said 3 inches, and I'm still repeating it here. 3 inches shoulder slant should be able to give you your required results. Now, for the armhole, in order for you to achieve a perfect armhole, after you've gotten the bodies of your dress, this is what we do. We deepen the front of the armhole by 1/2 inch. That is what you need to know. But then, before then, how do you achieve the armhole length? How do you come at a perfect armhole length such that you not have very big armhole, such that your clients will complain that this place is normally big? Yes, they will complain that this place is too big. That will be because your armhole is too wide. Because if your armhole comes all the way down to probably this place, then you can see that your armhole, the sleeve will always, it will start from here, and that will make it too big. Yeah. So how do we achieve a perfect armhole measurement that will be fitted for the body size? You take your chest, you divide it by 4, and then you subtract 2 inches. Chest divided by 4 minus 2 inches. That is the almighty formula for armhole. That is the what? Almighty formula for armhole. Yes, take it from me. The almighty formula for achieving a perfect armhole is chest. Note it down. Chest divided by 4 minus 2 inches. Whatever you are at, that will be the length of your armhole. Then you draw that. For instance, 40, chest of 40, 40 divided by 4 minus 2 inches. 40 divided by 4 minus 2 inches. If you divide 40 by 4, what do you have? 40 divided by 4 is 10. 10 minus 2 is what? 8 inches. So for a chest of 40, your armhole length is supposed to be 8 inches. And then if the chest is 50, you do the division. If the chest is 60, you do the division. If the chest is 12, 14, 36, whatever chest you have, just apply and you're going to achieve a perfect armhole length. Now, let's go to the avoiding the armhole folding. After you've achieved your armhole length, you're going to draw your curve. You draw your curve, use your armhole curve, draw your curve, and then you trim out the armhole. Meanwhile, you make sure that the front bodies of the dress, is deeper than the back bodies of the dress by half an inch. I'm not showing you videos of that because I have 2 videos on this channel concerning those topics. Yeah, termed how to avoid armhole folding, how to achieve perfect armhole. Go check them out. Everything is detailed there. So go check them out. You deepen the front side of the bodies by half an inch. Also the sleeve. You also deepen the front side of the sleeve by half an inch. That is why we get that folding, that excess fabric here. Why we get it is because you see the back of the human body, it comes towards this way. It opens outwards like this. That is from the back. It comes towards the front. So because of this, when you cut your fabric, front and back equal, you discover that the back needs more fabric than the front because the front is narrower. The chest is actually narrower than the back because of the shoulder blades here. Because of the shoulder blades, it makes the back broader than the chest, which is more narrow. So now, as the back is broader and the chest is more narrow, we find that there's excess fabric here. So now, when you remove half of the excess fabric from the sleeve and half of the excess fabric from the front bodies, you have actually removed 1 inch. 1 inch of fabric from here, 1 inch of fabric from here, which if you don't remove that, it will result into folding around this area. So that is why we remove it. So we just trim that out. Half on the sleeve, half on the bodies. Also on the other side, half of the sleeve, half on the bodies, and you removed 1 inch of excess fabric, which may fold if you don't remove it. So that is why we remove that, for us to have a perfect dress. So that is basically what is needed, because I saw a lot of questions, people asking formula for shoulder slant. Shoulder slant doesn't have a formula. You just basically look at your body type, the body type of whoever you're making a dress for, and then you use your acumen to do it. But like I said, generally 3 inches does it for all body types. 3 inches body slant and shoulder slant does it for all body types. So I think that's about it concerning everything shoulder slanting and armhole cutting to avoid all of that folding. Yeah, so I am designer Michael Fain. Yeah, I have a small shop in Abuja where I'm managing my fashion business. So I said, let me introduce myself. Since all you've been seeing is Style by Mike Fashion, Style by Mike Fashion, this is the face behind Style by Mike Fashion. So please like this video. If you have any questions, just drop them. Or if you have ideas, I would like you to give me your ideas on the kind of videos that you want to see. You have things that are specific to you that you want to learn about, drop them in the comment section, and I'll definitely check through all the comments and I'll reply those questions, and then I'll make sure if you made a video request, I'll make sure to do a video for you concerning your topic of interest. So I'd like you to share your ideas, video ideas with me. Drop them in the comments. Subscribe to this channel, like my video, and share with your friends. So that is all for this topic for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.